Everything is bullshit. I know. Oh, hi. I'm in this roof. And I wanted to do like a video of behind the scenes of stuff. Behind the scenes of, I don't know. I don't see videos like this. Like people don't know what to say and they're like, there's not videos like this. And they're talking, their English sucks. So that's it. That's what I'm trying to do. And I'm trying to say that everything is bullshit. Whatever you see is, it's not bullshit, but it's well edited, it's well boxed, well boxed. Maybe I'll edit it. This too. I want this to be boxed as well, or not. I don't know. So, oh, is there? Two parrots. So I'm up on the roof, and I got up in the morning today, and I was so like high voltage. So I thought I would try to write for a bit, and it's helping. Whoa, there's a lot of parrots here. It's like a convention of parrots. So you just gotta be in the moment, I think, and that's what's important. There's parrots. So why I started to film? You don't know what will happen in life, and you just gotta be in flow. And flow helps. Flow helps because whatever happens, you just like, you concentrate on one thing, and it really helps your mind to be freer and breathe, and it's better for your body. And I really wanted to do yoga. Maybe I'll do yoga, but my feet really hurt. I have this pain like here sometimes in the morning, and sometimes it's so, what am I doing? Bye now.